Good morning, guys. Today we're here on site and the customer has a shelter that's already been installed, and he's wanting to take one bay of it and turn it into a kitchenette slash bathroom slash get together place. So we're about to put some walls on this. We're going to insulate it. He didn't insulate his roof, so he's going to come back and spray foam it. But our goal today is get some walls up. We'll have a roll-up door on this side. We're going to put the walk-in door around the corner up under the shelter. Save some headaches on maybe splashing the water splashing and leaking up under the door. We'll also have a window on this wall, and we'll have a window on the back opposite wall. Follow along, hope you enjoy. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, like the video, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I load some more videos. We got to remove the rake trim here on the end so we can put the walls. And then when we finish the walls, we'll just reinstall it. We're gonna put up the door jambs, get the wall girts in, and then we'll have to bolt to the existing eave strut at the top, drill us a new hole, put some bolts in. That's what we're fixing to work on now. So we got all the girts in the walls, but this manufacturer done it a little different. So now we've got to go back around and turn all the C's open side up. Using a preformed base. 18 gauge material, and we gotta notch it for every post. Put your jam together, put it in the hole, halfway level it, put a tack screw, bolt it to the floor exactly where you want. Install your door leaf, and then come back and tweak your door leaf square to the jam. And level doesn't always work. Ideally that's what you want, but if you'll just move the top left and right, then that'll adjust the squareness of the leaf to the door jam itself. And in or out, just make sure both sides are the same levelness, even if they're off level, and then that way when the door shuts, it will touch the seal at the top and bottom. That noise we done hearing is my man cutting all these nuts. And that's to go around all of the different posts. This part is for the post, and this notch is for the plate right here. We don't need to notch it all the way, so we just notch the bottom section because that's a 1/4 inch plate off of the concrete. We gotta go around the post, meet this side right here. We leave it out the width of the bottom track so we can do our 45 cut here. I've just sent 100-foot rolls of insulation. So we've got to measure each length and cut a piece for each one we need. $22.25 and what? $32.25, $35.25, $188. Back me up, let me shoot you. $192.75. Nice. Everything I gave you is button tight. Put a 1/4 inch gap around. This is day 2. We got the wall framing up, the windows in, the doors yesterday, and got some panels ran on the back end wall. You can see we got about 5 of them up with some insulation. So today our goal is to get some walls finished. We're gonna start on this one on this end. We skipped over here because this is the east end. The sun's coming up before it gets too hot. We're gonna run this panel. But the change these, all it does is unloop the chain and just set it around the back.
Yeah.
We're using a chalk line, which is never a good idea for a metal, but I'm chalking it on the back of the panel so it'll never be seen.
You gonna be the only one. Fred, keep him and let him load up the forklift with you. I think quit sounding like husband and wife over there.